Claude just dropped something that changes how developers build AI agents. Not a new model, not a benchmark win, but an entire infrastructure layer. Claude Managed Agents. A suite of composable APIs for building and deploying cloud-hosted agents at scale. And it went live today on the Claude platform in public beta. If you have been following the AI agent space, you know the pattern. Everyone talks about agents. Very few can actually run in production. The gap between a weekend prototype and a production deployment is measured in months of infrastructure work. Anthropic just collapsed that gap to days. In this video, we are breaking down everything Anthropic announced. What managed agents actually are, how the architecture works under the hood, which major companies are already building on it, and what this means for the future of agentic AI. We have real demo footage, architecture diagrams, and partner case studies. Stick around because the partner list alone will blow your mind. Let's talk about the pain. If you have ever tried to ship a production AI agent, you know the drill. You prototype something in a weekend. It works beautifully on your laptop. Then reality hits. You need secure sandboxing so the agent does not wreck your infrastructure. You need state management so long-running tasks survive disconnections. You need permission scoping so your agent only touches what it should. You need tracing and observability so you can debug when things go sideways. And every time a new model drops, you rewrite your agent loop. That is months of infrastructure work before users see anything. Every company in this space has hit the same wall. You build a cool demo. Investors love it. Users want it. But turning it into something reliable enough for production takes engineering resources that most teams simply do not have. That is the gap Anthropic just closed with managed agents. Claude Managed Agents is a fully managed runtime for AI agents. You define your agent's tasks, tools, and guardrails. Anthropic runs it on their infrastructure. The built-in orchestration harness decides when to call tools, how to manage context, and how to recover from errors. The core features are production-grade agents with secure sandboxing, authentication, and tool execution handled for you. Long-running sessions that operate autonomously for hours with progress and outputs that persist through disconnections. Multi-agent coordination so agents can spin up and direct other agents to parallelize complex work. And trusted governance giving agents access to real systems with scoped permissions, identity management, and execution tracing built in. The harness is purpose-built for Claude models. You define outcomes and success criteria, and Claude self-evaluates and iterates until it gets there. In internal testing around structured file generation, managed agents improve task success by up to 10 points over standard prompting loops, with the largest gains on the hardest problems. Here is a real walkthrough of the product UI. You start by creating an agent with a simple API call. You describe what you want in natural language, like build an agent that evaluates acquisition targets, researches companies, pulls financials, runs competitive benchmarks, and drafts an investment memo. The system generates an agent configuration with a model, system prompt, and tool access. Then you start a session. Watch the agent go. It scans data room files, reads financial documents, extracts key metrics like revenue and EBITDA, searches the web for comparable multiples, and compiles everything into an investment thesis. All running autonomously in a secure sandbox. Session tracing, integration analytics, and troubleshooting guidance are built directly into the Claude console so you can inspect every tool call, decision, and failure mode. This is not a toy demo. This is production infrastructure. Now let's look at the real-world case studies because the partner list is stacked. Notion integrated Claude Managed Agents to let teams delegate work directly inside their workspace. Engineers use it to ship code. Knowledge workers produce websites and presentations. Dozens of tasks run in parallel while the whole team collaborates on the output. We have a full walkthrough from Notion's product manager showing exactly how this works in practice. Rakuten shipped enterprise agents across product, sales, marketing, finance, and HR that plug into Slack and Teams. Employees assign tasks and get back deliverables like spreadsheets, slides, and apps. Each specialist agent was deployed within a week. Asana built AI teammates, collaborative agents that work alongside humans inside Asana projects, taking on tasks and drafting deliverables. Vibe Code uses managed agents as the default integration powering AI-native apps. Users spin up infrastructure at least 10 times quicker than before. And Sentry paired their debugging agent Seer with a Claude-powered agent that writes patches and opens PRs. Developers go from a flagged bug to a reviewable fix in one flow. The integration shipped in weeks instead of months. Let's dig into the Notion integration because it is the most impressive use case. Eric Liu, a product manager at Notion, shows how they use managed agents for client onboarding. He takes 30 action items from a client database and drags them into a custom agent. The agent kicks off parallel Claude sessions in the cloud, each working on different tasks simultaneously. Behind the scenes, this uses the Managed Agents API to spin up sessions, manage memory, and deliver high-quality outputs over time. The ability to run for 20 minutes or an hour, managing context and maintaining quality, is the critical layer on top of the model itself. Notion's team can see traces of every session in the Claude console for debugging and improvement. The real unlock here is that non-technical users can now kick off complex multi-agent workflows from inside the tools they already use. No infrastructure knowledge required. Let's break down the architecture. Managed Agents sits on top of the Claude platform as an orchestration layer. At the core is the agent harness, a runtime that manages tool execution, context windows, error recovery, and session persistence. Around that you have sandboxed code execution environments, credential management with scoped permissions, and end-to-end tracing. The multi-agent coordination layer lets one agent spawn and direct other agents for parallel work. Everything connects through the same Claude API you already know. The key innovation is that the harness handles the hard parts. Context management, tool routing, error recovery, session checkpointing. You focus on defining tasks and success criteria. The agent figures out the rest. Session tracing and analytics are built into the console, so you can inspect every tool call and decision. The agent ecosystem is exploding right now. OpenAI has their Assistance API. Google has Vertex AI agents. AWS has Bedrock agents. But what Anthropic shipped is different in a critical way. Most managed agent platforms give you a chatbot with tool access. Anthropic gives you an autonomous runtime. The difference matters. A chatbot with tools waits for you to tell it what to do next. An autonomous runtime figures out what to do next on its own. It plans, executes, evaluates results, and iterates until the task is done. Claude models are specifically built for this kind of agentic work. They handle long context, multi-step reasoning, and tool use better than most competitors. And Managed Agents is purpose-built to take advantage of those strengths. The self-evaluating agent feature is particularly interesting. You define outcomes and success criteria, and the agent judges its own work and keeps going until it meets the bar. That is a fundamentally different developer experience from prompt engineering your way through retries. Pricing is straightforward. Managed Agents runs on consumption-based pricing. Standard Claude platform token rates apply, plus 8 cents per session hour for active runtime. That is the infrastructure tax for sandboxing, session management, tracing, and orchestration. For context, if an agent runs for an hour on a complex research task, you are paying the token costs plus 8 cents. That is remarkably cheap compared to building and maintaining your own agent infrastructure. Getting started is simple. Head to the Claude console, read the docs, or use the new CLI to deploy your first agent. You can also use the latest Claude code and the built-in API skill. Just ask Start Onboarding for Managed Agents in the Claude API, and you are rolling. The multi-agent coordination and self-evaluating agent features are in research preview. You can request access through the links in the description. Here is what developers need to know. Getting started is genuinely simple. Head to the Claude console, read the docs, or use the new CLI to deploy your first agent. You can also use Claude code and the built-in API skill to get started. The API is composable, meaning you can chain agents together, nest them, and build complex workflows from simple building blocks. Session tracing is built into the console so you can see every tool call, every decision, every failure. That alone saves weeks of observability work. The multi-agent coordination feature lets agents spawn and direct other agents. Imagine a research agent that identifies a complex subtask, spins up a specialist agent to handle it, and integrates the results. That kind of parallel execution is what makes the 10x speedup possible. The CLI experience is also worth mentioning. You can deploy, manage, and monitor agents from the terminal. No dashboard required. For developers who live in the terminal, this is the right integration path. That is the full breakdown of Claude Managed Agents. To recap, Anthropic just shipped a fully managed agent runtime that handles sandboxing, state management, permissioning, and tracing out of the box. Major companies like Notion, Rakuten, Asana, Code, Sentry, and Atlassian are already building on it. The architecture is purpose-built for Claude models with self-evaluating agents and multi-agent coordination. And pricing is consumption-based at 8 cents per session hour plus token costs. This is Anthropic making a serious play for the enterprise agent market. Links to the docs, console, and partner case studies are in the description. If this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe and drop a comment with what you want to see covered next. Thanks for watching.